Every day, Lawrence Blake serves lunch to the homeless in Bethesda. This year, his job's gotten a lot harder.
I used to feed from 35 to 50 people. Sometimes I feed from 55 to 100 people, and sometimes from 100 to 125.
The National Coalition for the Homeless says more than 60% of American communities are seeing an increase in homelessness. And not only are more people becoming homeless, but many of the resources outreach programs depend upon are drying up. Like so many of these centers, Bethesda Cares relies on the community to meet needs with donation of money, clothing, and food.
Well, donations down real low. We just don't have nothing hardly no more, you know. We used to do baskets for Thanksgiving. We don't do that no more.
Susan Kirk is the executive director of Bethesda Cares. She says the nonprofit organization has been providing food, clothing, and health care to the homeless for 20 years. But she says now resources are stretched, and she doesn't know what the future holds.
And unfortunately, with the economy imploding, everybody's scared. And it's not just the people on the street. It's the people that donate money. So we're seeing a drop of income just as our demand is shooting up.
And she says the difficulty of meeting needs is small compared to that of not meeting them.
A lot of first-time people calling up in panic. You know, help. I don't know who to ask. I've never done this before. But I just can't make it. My rent and pay my utility, and they're going to shut me off. Can you help? And it's really tough to say, no, I'm sorry, we don't have the money.
And in cities like Bethesda, where the cost of living is well above the U.S. average, staying in a home is especially challenging.
Just to rent, afford food, get to work, it costs a lot of money to live here.
According to the federal poverty guidelines, a family of four must earn less than $21,200 a year to qualify for government assistance. But Kirk says just to survive in Bethesda for a year costs the family of four $72,000. Lisa Beth Mobley couldn't keep up. The single mother of two has been homeless for 5 years. According to the Montgomery County Coalition for the Homeless, she is one of 1,500 homeless on a given day in the county.
Unfortunately, I got sort of swept up under the rug. One paycheck next to becoming homeless, and I had no idea I was going to become homeless.
Mobley says she's worried about the state of the economy, but it's not a dwindling retirement plan that concerns her. Like so many, she's just trying to survive, and she says it's getting harder.
You notice the prices are raised, more different and difficult for people to even get a loaf of bread with $1.
But even as the economy tightens and resources dwindle, Mobley and Blake hope the spirit of giving won't.
Yeah, we're going to get it. I mean, the people is going to help us. You know, we got a lot of people that is backing us and that is helping us forward now, but, you know, it's going to get better. I say within the next 2 or 3 months, it'll kick back in.
Some hope that better days lie ahead for the needy and those who try to help them. In Bethesda, I'm Kate Russell, Maryland Newsline.